So here is my electric guitar, solid body guitar case. So I'm going to show you my electric guitar. It is Stratocaster Fender. Okay, my friends, here's my electric guitar, Square Start Stratocaster Fender, and I play this guitar sometime as practice. I don't have enough time to practice because I got so many other things to do, but I can find some time. Last time I played the guitar was many months ago, and here I show something else. Okay, friends, as you can see, there's a toolbox, but actually, my friend, I use it to keep my guitar stuff. I actually customized myself. As you can see, those straps, those are actually old straps for guitar. And well, my friends, I'm going to open the box. I should remove the lid actually. Makes everything easy. Okay, here I got a few things. I got Marshall amp. My friend, I bought this amp 27 years ago, and when I have to practice, I use it. It's a 10-watt amp, MS4 micro guitar amp, and I show you how it looks like from inside. Okay, friend, here you go. That's my very first amp. Actually, that's the only amp at the moment I got. Here's a closer look. I got MS4. This one is on-off button. It got tone, volume, and gain as very basic stuff. That cost me that time 30 pound. Okay, that's about maybe 35 something dollars. And I use normally batteries, but at the moment there are no batteries. Also, I connected it with a DC current. So I just connected with a cable. So you can use this amp two ways. Either use electricity using a main power supply, or just use the battery. So that's a Marshall amp, my friends. And you can see here there's for headphone, but actually you can listen very nicely. And very hardly I never use those headphones, because I just enjoy to listen to normal sound. It's normally just sound coming from speakers. Okay, friends, so here is the input for the guitar. Okay, the guitar lead goes in, my friends, just a little bit closer, and the second pin there for electricity I use for that. Okay, um, adapter which I set to 9 watt. So my friend, there amp is 10 watt and I use 9 watt adapter, but it is perfectly alright with that. Okay friends, here just inside my toolbox, here's my friends, I use a Unicross. Okay, Unicross adapter. So at the moment it's set on 9 watt. Okay, 9 watt. I hope you can see a little bit clearly. And yeah, so my friends, I just take this one out. I'm going to show you a little bit later that how I connect everything. At the moment, what I'm doing at the moment, friends, just a basic introduction to my stuff that I used when I have to play guitar. Okay, friends, I got guitar cable, standard guitar cable. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I haven't got much knowledge about those guitar and everything because I'm not a professional guitarist, just as a hobby. So I just I can give you information as much as I know, my friends. Okay, my friend, there's guitar lead anyway. You can plug any side, that side or that side, doesn't matter. One side goes into guitar, other pin goes to the amp. Okay, my friend, here my guitar strap, lightnings. I love it. I love the print on it. And okay, that's my guitar straps, my friend. And what else I got here, my friends? Whammy bar. I call it whammy bar. When I play guitar, sometimes I just use it to get different sounds. Even though I'm not a professional guitarist, but I still just do experiments. Just as a hobby. Maybe one day I learn to guitar properly, but at the moment when I feel bored, then I use it. Okay, my friends, here I wanna show you a digital tuner. I will show you when I will turn it on and how it works. Okay, my friends, there's a quick tune digital tuner, very easy to tune the guitar. I will show you everything later on in this video. And finally, my friend, very important, I got a few other things. Okay, just bear with me, my friends. Okay, here I got the slider. Okay, made of steel. Gives some nice sound from the guitar sliding on the strings. And I got some plectrum, collection of plectrum. And I got this key guitar, key, just to wind them. Okay, when you have to tie the strings, you have to change the strings, very practical. And I don't know what the proper name for that. And here I got collection of plectrums. Okay, friends. And there's by Jim Dunlop anyway, to just tighten a guitar string, or you want to change this quick tuning pegs. You can trim them left or right and to change the guitar stick. Anyway, my friends, and now, okay, here's my stuff, all of that. Okay, friends, here as you can see that all the necessary tools, the basic necessary tools that anybody need. At the moment I just got that. Okay friend, now I'm going to show you how I connect everything properly and some sound check and some guitar tuning as well.